Zero Education Society, redefining excellence.
Respected sir and madam and all my dear friends, I am Parth Khair, student of 3rd year Electrical Engineering of Zil Polytechnic, presenting PowerPoint presentation on the subject of BLDC motor and its speed control strategies. My roll number is 48. My group number is 15. Name of guide Priyanka Palve madam. Name of group members Parth Khair, Umakan Kadge, Shubham Harekar, Padmakar Khumne, Pratik Deshmukh. BLDC motor and its speed control strategies. Index. Introduction, construction, rotor, stator, working of BLDC motor, advantages, disadvantages, speed control, braking, motor protection, application and conclusion. Introduction. Brushless DC motor are synchronous motors which are powered by a DC electric source through an integrated inverter which produces an AC signal to drive the motor. Brushless DC electric motor, also known as electronically commutated motor. Construction. It consists of two parts, mainly stator and rotor. Stator is made up of silicon teeth stamping with slots. The slots are accommodated to armature winding. This winding is wound with specified number of poles. This winding connected a DC supply through a power electronic switching circuit. Images of BLDC motor with construction diagram. Rotor. Rotor is of permanent magnet. Number of poles on rotor is same as that of stator. Rotor shaft carries a RPS, rotor position sensor, and it provides information about the position of shaft at any instant to the controller, which sends signal to the electronic commutator. The electronic commutator function is same as that of mechanical commutator in DC motor. Stator. Steel lamination in the stator can be slotted or slotless. A slotless core has lower inductance, thus it can run at very high speeds. Because of the absence of teeth in the lamination tank, requirements for the cogging torque also go down, thus making them an ideal fit for low speeds too. Images of stator and rotor. Working of BLDC motor. The operation of a BLDC is based on the simple force interaction between the permanent magnet and the electromagnet. Advantages. Increased reliability and efficiency, longer life, elimination of sparks for commutator, reduce friction. Disadvantages. Requires complex drive circuitry, requires additional sensors, higher cost. Some designs require manual labor, hand-wound stator coils. Speed control. Motor speed depends upon the amplitude of the applied voltage. The amplitude of the applied signal is adjusted by using PWM. By controlling the duty cycle of the PWM signal, the amplitude of the applied voltage can be controlled, which in turn will control the speed of the motor. Torque can be controlled by adjusting the magnetic flux. Braking. Dynamic braking, short circuiting, plugging, sequence reversal, regenerative braking, power back to source. Motor protection. Peak current, under voltage, Hall sensor failure. Application. Single speed, adjustable speed, position control, low noise application, medical, dental, surgical tools, microscopes. Vehicle, electronic power steering, electrical vehicle and airplanes. Conclusion. Although brushless DC motor are more expensive of same kW rating than conventional DC motor, but there are many advantages. Brushless DC motor can run when submerged in fluids. Brushless DC motor does not produce brush or commutator particles or gases as byproducts of operation. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.